evening. This is the news track and I'm Maria Shakil. India faces a critical moment as steep US tariffs, which are around 50%, are set to take effect in just a few hours on billions of dollars of Indian exports. Despite this looming challenge, Prime Minister Narendra Modi projects confidence, highlighting a significant milestone in Gujarat with the launch of domestic production of EV battery electrodes. Emphasizing India's democratic strengths, demographic advantages and skilled workforce, the Prime Minister reassured exporters of government support amidst rising global protectionism. However, concerns remain high among exporters, particularly in the sectors like the gems, the textiles, auto parts, metals, where the tariffs threaten jobs and economic growth. However, India, it seems, is ready is the message that is coming in from the government. We delve today into how India plans to navigate and potentially overcome this tariff challenge, starting with the Prime Minister's vision.
This is just, we got to bring our country back.
Hours before Donald Trump's tariff bomb drops, India is bracing for a trade shock.
मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देगी.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Gujarat launched local EV battery production, calling it a new chapter in Make in India, with cars soon to roll out to 100 countries. He highlighted India's strengths in democracy, demography and skilled manpower. But back in Delhi, his team is working overtime on relief for exporters.
भारत के पास डेमोक्रेसी की शक्ति है और भारत के पास डेमोग्राफी का एडवांटेज है. हमारे पास स्किल्ड वर्कफोर्स का बहुत बड़ा पूल है. इसलिए कि हमारे हर पार्टनर के लिए विन विन सिचुएशन बनाता है.
Modi has called the tariffs unfair and protectionist. He vows India will safeguard its interests firmly but responsibly.
मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है. मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी. दबाव कितना ही क्यों न आए, हम झेलने की अपनी ताकत बढ़ाते जाएंगे.
From Tuesday morning, the US will slap an extra 25% duty on Indian imports. For many goods, tariffs will soar past 50%. The trigger, Russian oil deals.
India has been a good friend, but India has charged basically more tariffs than almost any other country. You know that, right? Over the years. But now I'm in charge, and you just can't do that.
Markets are rattled and the Sensex down over 850 points. With hours to go before the tariff wall rises, exporters are staring at tough days ahead. Can relief measures and new markets soften the blow? Bureau Report, India Today.